Jatend migao mar somo Migos Ogamba okwayo Riwruog jopuonj mbalariany mondo oyie okaw omenda ma oketne gitenge kendo mowinjore chulgi e kidienje ariyo. Ogamba oloso e kaunti ma Mombasa kama ne itieke romo mar riwruoge tiego tije lwedo Kenya Association of Technical Training Institutions kendo okoni sirkal kokalo kuom migao mar somo oseyie mar chulo gowi maromo bilion 7.7 e kidienje ariyo, kendo owacho ni mano owinjo bed ni en gino makelo geno ne jotijego mag mbalariany masani ng'anyo margi hao ndalo mar 50.
We came to a figure of 9.7 and we agreed we'll pay them 4.3 billion immediately, which we did, 7.3 in this financial year and another 7.3 the next financial year. The 4.3 billion has been paid, the 2.7 billion has been paid. So government has shown good faith and commitment to settle these historical debts, which are not a debt that was incurred by the Kenya Kwanza administration. It was incurred before. So what we are trying to do is resolve all those pending issues so that going forward, we do not have people going to the streets each and every time. We've done it with the other unions, we've done it with Kupet, we've done it with NAT, and everything is settled. And we will be able to do it with the WASU. All we're asking them is for them to come to the table, look at the realities of the current situation, and accept the offer that the government has put on the table, because it is the best offer.
Kawasuri nyakura mogi ni familia mar japuonjre ma ja higni 10